Okay, this is what I got here. I got myself a Thunderbolt Magnum solar 25 watt 12 volt solar panel. They show this nice little cute little house on here, mobile home. And it's supposed to maintain large capacity batteries. And it's supposed to come with all this stuff in here, and there's the connector for it, and that's up, and it's pretty big. It says 66%. They put a sticker on it, but that's just the way it goes. Okay, now when this showed up, all this was wide open because FedEx didn't even bother to throw a fucking piece of, didn't bother to put a piece of tape on there. And this side here was barely on there too, but it held up. I threw a piece of tape on there anyways. So let's cut this thing open and see what it's like. Okay, here we go. Gonna cut the tape that I put on there already. But I'm just gonna cut the box, since I ain't gonna use the box anymore. There we go. See, it's wrapped up pretty nice there. So I don't expect anything to be broken. I don't see anything else in the box. But it comes with this here. This right here is for charging your car, I guess. Or whatever you want. It has a little plug-in on it. Pretty awesome. And we'll flip this over. CV. Okay, here it comes with the bubble wrap. Everything should be good. And instructions. And all I gotta say about the instructions is blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, down here is the rest of the stuff that comes with it. Here we got this one here. This is so you can plug it into your charge controller. And then this one here is to plug directly into a battery or whatever you want to plug into. And at the end of it, that's how you plug in those other things. Then you take this off. It's like taking off a pair of pants. Save that in case I need to return it at some point. I'll set the panel up here. Have you guys take a look at it. Oh, and see, it's not even plugged into anything, and the blue light is already on, and there's hardly any sun out at all. That's the other thing I was telling you about. Then if you flip it over to the other side, you got the stand that's on there. Comes out and it should lock. I don't know, I might have to play with that. I don't want to pinch my fingers. But that stand's pretty cool. There's some more stuff on that. Okay, let me take a break here. That's what it looks like on the stand. Stand holding it up. I don't know if I'll use that or not. I'll probably use these little holes here and screw it into the roof. 2 on each side. Okay folks, This is what I did with the panel. I have it sitting up here on top. It's not even screwed down because I don't think it's even going to go anywhere because of that strap. Then it comes down into here. Then I have it to this charge controller, and it shows 12.9, which is pretty good. Better than it was, because we had a panel that the wind was blowing the cord too much, and it ripped out and kind of tore up the soldering. Then I have it down here to the battery, which is kind of nice and clean. And then here's the one that goes into the house, and this one here goes from the solar panel, and this one here is the one that goes to the battery. I really like this charge controller here because it tells you the amps or the voltage and everything, so it's pretty nice. And I ain't never seen that battery charged up that high before, so the other solar panel wasn't really that good. It was a used solar panel. Okie dokie, that's it for me. Good luck.